Color treatment conditioner. A gentle lightweight conditioner that prevents color from fading. Locks in the color while prvoding superior hydration, ensuring your color stays brilliant, even after multiple washes. Infused with keratin protein. Essential in restoring the hair's health. Free from sodium chloride, it contains a blend of natural oils, amino acids, vitamins, and protective antioxidants, which promotes shine. Keratin strengthens the hair by providing protiens essential in maintaining the hair's structure. Repairs dry damaged hair. Keratin improves her growth and locks in moisture. Perfect for high-lift blondes and vibrant redheads. This conditioenr contains a blend of natural oils, amino acids, vitamins to provide shine. Key benefits. Keratin-infused, sodium chloride-free, prolongs keratin treatment, UV protecting formula. Cruelty-free. Our products are never tested on animals. Your healthy hair journey begins here. At Lasio, our passion extends far beyond hair. Our purpose here at Lasio is to create high-quality products for all hair types and backgrounds. We hope to inspire others to have the confidence they need to thrive and prosper on their journey, just as we have. Our products are designed with the highest quality ingredients and resources available in the beauty industry. Each product has been carefully crafted by our team of experts to ensure you get the best results possible. Top reviews from the United States. Well as keratin treatment and this product works the best. I have tried other products but for me. I have color-treated hair as well as keratin treatment and this product works the best. I have tried other products but for me Lasio works. I would highly recommend these products.